Hi, third grade. Here we are again in our science class. Today we are going to talk about the solar system, okay? But first of all, let's start with our routine. So last class we talked about the Earth. Today we are going to talk about the solar system. And next class we are going to talk about calendars because all these subjects are related, okay? The calendars we know, the year, the days are related to the Earth and what what happened to the Earth in the solar system, right? So, to start our review, let's put here the differences between the globes and maps. So, globes are three-dimensional, they are 3D. Maps, no, they are two-dimensional. Globes have the sphere shape, and maps are flat. Globes we can't fold, maps we can. In the globes, we have a perfect view, the real view of the Earth. In maps, no, it's distorted. And we have only one type of globe, but we have many types of maps. Okay? And now we have the Earth. In the Earth, we have 6 continents. North America, South America, it's America, okay? We have only the difference between North and South. Africa, Europe, Asia, Oceania, and Antarctica. We have 5 oceans: the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian, the Arctic, and the Antarctic oceans. We have more than 200 countries in the world, in the Earth, yeah. Over 7 billion people and many species of animals and plants. Yes, and each region and in each country we have one type of animal and plant. Okay? Okay, so this is what we saw last class. Now we are going to enter in our solar system. So guys, what's the center of the solar system? The center is the sun, right? So we have the sun as the center of the universe and the planets surround it. Okay? And each planet has a different duration of years and days because they have different speeds of the rotation, as we can see in this picture. Yeah, and now we are going to see each planet and some curiosity about it. So the first planet, the closest planet to the sun, is Mercury, and the period of revolution, the time it takes to surround the sun, is 80 days. Then we have Venus. It's the hottest planet in the solar system, right? Because of the carbon dioxide. And the period of revolution, 225 days. Then we have the Earth. The Earth is the only planet that has suitable climate that supports lives in all forms. That's why we have many kinds of animals and plants and, of course, humans in the Earth. Okay? The Earth has the moon, that is the satellite of the Earth, right? And the period of revolution is 1 year, or 365 days. Mars, it's known by the red planet. They have largest dust storms that can last months and covers all the planet. Okay? And it takes 2 years to make the revolution. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It has 4 moons, and one day there lasts 9 hours and 55 minutes. Okay? And the revolution period, it's 12 years. Saturn has 150 moons, frozen moons, and the biggest one is Titan. Yeah? And Saturn has these beautiful rings. They are made by dust and ice, and its revolution period is 29 years. This is Saturn. Uranus is the coldest planet of the solar system. This is the temperature it gets, and it's because of this period of revolution, 84 days, half of it, or 42 days, it's covered by the sun. The other 542 is covered by darkness. That's why it's the coldest planet. And the last planet is Neptune. It's known as ice giant. It has 14 moons, and its revolution period is 165 years. Right? Great. And did you know that we have 5 dwarf planets in our solar system, together with the other 8 planets? So we have Pluto. It was discovered in 1930, and until 2006, it was part of our solar system. Then it was reclassified by a dwarf planet. So since 2006, Pluto is a dwarf planet, and Pluto has 5 moons, and the revolution period is 6.59 Earth days. Okay? So one day in Earth is 24 hours. In Pluto, it's 6 times 24. Almost 7 times 24. The other planet is Aries. It was discovered in 2003, and its period of revolution is 25.9 hours. The other one is Haumea. It's discovered in 2003, and its period of revolution is 5.3 hours. Makemake is the other dwarf planet. It was discovered in 2005, and the revolution period 22.5 hours. And the last one, Ceres. It is the oldest one. It was discovered in 1801, and it has 90.1 hour of revolution period. Okay, guys. So that's it. You are going to find the activities in the classroom. Our help outs on Tuesdays and Fridays at 11:30 and 6:30 p.m. And for next class, we are going to talk about the calendar, and you are going to see the relation about the calendar with the solar system and the Earth. And that's it. See you next class.